Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you doing today? It's the winter season and it's all about the dark and deep colors. So I thought of creating this brown graphic eyeliner look. This look is so easy and you don't need a lot of products for this. And in today's video, I've also discussed what products I use to prep my skin before applying any makeup. All the products that I've used in today's video will be linked down in my description bar below, and I'll also mention all my social media handles there, so make sure you check that out. So if you guys want to see how I created this look, keep on watching. I'm going to start off with this Aquaholic Hydrating Stick from Sugar, and this is such a good moisturizer for your skin, especially in this season. After that, I like applying primer, and I'm using the Base of Glory Pore Minimizing Primer. For foundation, I'm using my Ace of Face Stick Foundation in the shade 17 as always. The reason why I love this foundation is because it doesn't make your skin dry. It is not completely matte. It gives you that natural finish, and as I have dry skin, this works perfectly for me. And for concealer, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 20. I know it looks a lot, but what I'm doing here is applying a fine layer evenly, and you want to make sure that it looks like an upside down triangle because this is going to give you that brightening effect that you're looking for. Also applying some concealer on the bridge of my nose, on my cupid's bow, on the chin and on the forehead as well. So this will give you a brightening effect. And then I'm going to blend it out using the same beauty blender. I'm also going to apply it on my eyelids. And now I'm quickly going to set my under eyes using a banana powder. Make sure you don't have any crease before doing that. Setting your under eyes is extremely important after applying concealer. Do not skip this step. And as always, I'm also adding some on the bridge of my nose to give that highlighting effect. While that is baking, I'm going to do my brows. What you want to do is brush your brow hair downwards. I don't want to go overboard, so I'm just going to follow the natural shape of my brows. And once that is done, you can brush your hair back. See how it instantly added definition. And for the bottom, I'm going to follow the natural shape again. And I'm also going to draw very fine hair-like strokes in the front. That's it. And repeating the same steps on the other brow. And fill in all the gaps and then brush your hair back. And now I'm going to wipe off the bake and set the rest of my face with a translucent powder before we complete our face makeup. And now I'm just going to take a fluffy brush and set the rest of my face with a translucent powder. You want to set all your cream and liquid products before you move on to powder products. So for this look, we are going to keep our eye makeup pretty simple. We don't want to apply a lot of eyeshadow. You can apply eyeshadow, but that is totally optional. I'm going to skip eyeshadow today, and our main focus is the eyeliner, and it will be slightly different than the normal eyeliner. I'm going to start off with the normal black liquid eyeliner, and then you guys will see what I'm going to do next. I'm going to use this I Want You So double matte eyeliner in the shade 01 Black Swan. I'm going to stay very close to my lash line because we are going to apply a brown gel eyeliner above this. I'm also going to make a wing. Right now I'm going to leave this line as it is, and now we are going to apply the brown gel eyeliner. I'm using the Born to Wing gel eyeliner in the shade Brown Sugar. I'm going to apply that above the black eyeliner. And as you guys can see, I have created a wing with the brown gel eyeliner. And now I'm going to use my black liquid eyeliner again and draw the outline. As you can see, I have the brown gel eyeliner in the middle and my black liquid eyeliner at the top and the bottom. Now I'm going to repeat the same thing on my other eye, and I'll be right back. And obviously I'm going to apply a bronzer today. This is the Sugar Mini Bronzer in the shade Taupe Topper. And I'm using the mini blush in the shade Peach Peak today. I'm wiping off the bake, and I do change my lipstick after this because I wanted something more deeper and darker. And I'm going to highlight the highest points of my face using this highlighter palette. And for lipstick, I'm going to apply the Metal Satin lipstick in the shade 08. It is a beautiful deep brown shade, and it will look perfect with this brown and black graphic eyeliner look. Alright you guys, that wraps up this video. I hope you guys liked this tutorial. If you guys liked this video, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you're new here, don't leave without subscribing. Hit that subscribe button and also hit the notification bell so you don't miss out any videos that I upload. All my social media handles will be mentioned in the description bar below, so follow me there, stay connected, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching.